do you say, Minnie? Will you elope with me?
Elope? Oh, Mickey, oh, yes, of course I will.
Channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Brittney-Kay, and I'm so proud of this look that I did today. I was definitely inspired by my boyfriend's son, Noah, who is obsessed with Mickey Mouse, and he told us that he wanted me to be Minnie and for his dad to be Mickey, and he wanted to be Donald Duck, so I was like, I need to get on it with these Halloween looks. So I came up with this look. I really just went with the flow. I didn't really know what I was doing at first, but it came out really good. So if you want to know how I got this look, just keep watching. Alright, so we're real up close and personal right now, but I really want y'all to get to see what I'm doing. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the Morphe eyelid primer. By the way, for some reason, this eye has been twitching all day long, like seriously all day long twitching. So if you see it, don't freak out. I don't know why it's twitching. It'll start twitching like right here. Look, did you see it? You see it? Oh my god, that's so weird. I don't know why it has been. I don't know if it's because I haven't gotten a lot of sleep or I'm not drinking enough water. I don't know. But we're going to move on. I'm going to start off by picking up the Anastacio Prism palette and going in with Unity. You don't have to start off with this shade. You can go in with just like your favorite transition color that you use for like a typical brown smoky eye or whatever shade you feel like would work better with the colors that you have. But I love Unity. I'm just going to grab it on like a big fluffy brush and literally just put this everywhere. You don't have to be neat with it. Just throw it on everywhere. It's just going to help us transition into the other darker colors. And now that we're done with that shade, I'm just going to pick up a really like orangey kind of colored brown. Again, you don't have to use the shade that I'm using because I am dipping into another palette for this. I'm using the Brittney-Kay Born to Run Riff palette. But I don't want you to think that I'm going to be using like 5 different palettes with this look, guys. I promise it's just those 2 shades are in 2 different palettes, and those are my favorite kind of like transition shades. The rest of the shades that I'm going to be using are in one palette, I promise you. And I am using a LA Girl 202 brush to blend this in together. I really like the LA Girl brushes. Now going in with the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. This is the palette that I'm going to be using for the rest of the shades, no more other palettes. I'm going to be picking up the shade Play It Cool, and I'm picking that up on a Morphe M505 brush. Putting that directly in my crease, just layering all these colors together and blending them out. The Boss Mood palette is actually pretty freaking bomb. I love the new palettes Morphe came out with. They scream fall and they're really, really colorful, which is exactly what I love because I love doing colorful looks. The next shade that I'm going to be picking up in the same palette is Peachy King. I don't know why it's called that. It's not peachy. Oh my god, my eyebrow just twitched so bad. Do you see it, guys? It's like the glitter is moving. Look, so weird. I'm just blending it in like circular motions, and then I'll move back to windshield wiper motions. Just whatever gets the job done for me. And the next shade that I'm going to be picking up is Talk Dirty. And I'm using the same Morphe brush to layer on all these colors. I just feel like it's easier like that than to be picking up different brushes every single time. And then I'm going to pick up a Laura Mercier brush. It's just another blending brush. You don't have to use this one. And I'm picking up Black Magic. And I'm going to be really careful and just like lightly pack this right in the middle. And then taking back up that Morphe brush we were blending with and then blending it out. It's always better to start off adding a little bit than to add like a bunch, because it's easier to build up colors than it is to take off colors. Trust me. Alright, and now I'm going to pick up my Wet n Wild concealer and I'm going to start shaping out my cut crease. I'm just going to put it directly on the lid. This is the concealer that I use specifically for cut creases, and so I'm just going to start off by spreading it all over my lid and then letting it stamp because I do have hooded eyes. So cut creases are a little bit more harder to do. And then I'm going to look directly like this. Like look forward completely, let it stamp. and then you'll see where it's going to stop right there. And now I can shape it out. Oh, I'm using a Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage brush. That's what it says. Okay, so I think I matched them up. You can never really tell until you're like looking far away, but it looks pretty matched to me. Now I'm gonna pick up the Too Faced glitter glue with a Laura Mercier cream eye color brush, and I'm just gonna apply it all over where the cut crease is, because I'm gonna be putting glitter all over it like that. The glitter that I'm using today is from Smolder Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Brick, and I'm just going to pack it in on my lid so that it doesn't fall all over my face. Of course, I am gonna have some of it fall on my face because hello, it's glitter, but I'm trying my best not to. I'm not too worried about getting it really, really close to the edges, because as you can see on this one, I am gonna outline everything with white eyeliner. Now I'm gonna pick up the Too Faced Sketch Marker eyeliner in Pure White, and I'm going to outline all of this. Alright, and now that we are done outlining it, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my face. For primer, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer. I love this one. I just don't really like the way it smells, but besides that, it's like really, really good. I'm going to pick up my NYX Beauty Blender, and I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Foundation. I'm mixing the shade Medium Buff and Classic Tan together to get my perfect shade. Next, I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Concealer, and this is in NC35. What actually inspired me to do this Minnie Mouse tutorial is because my boyfriend's son, Noah, which if you're new to my channel, you have to go watch the videos that I have with him. He's the cutest kid ever. He is like in love with Minnie Mouse.
So cute. Oh, Minnie gave you a kiss. So cute. Say thank you.
So I was like, you know what? I need to start practicing my Minnie Mouse makeup that I'm gonna do for our costume. And I was like, why don't I just make a tutorial on it? To set my concealer now, I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier setting powder. Instead of like sweeping it all off with a brush, I actually pat it in with my beauty sponge. Now that my face is set, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Patrick Star and MAC bronzer and a Luxie 522 brush and start bronzing up my face. I'm gonna quickly finish up my brows with the Benefit Gimme Brow and then the Benefit Brow Gel. Guys, this eye still hasn't stopped twitching. Still. I guess it's just shook as fuck how good the eyeshadow and the eye look all came out. Same, sis, same. And now for blush, I definitely want to try out a new one. I'm picking up the Morphe Papa Fuchsia Blushing Babes Blush Trio. That's a really long name. I think I'm going to pick up Edgy, which is this really like pretty purplish red color. I'm not going to pick up a lot, but I do want my cheeks to be pretty bright, but I didn't want to go straight for red. And I'm using an LA Girl 110 brush to apply all of this blush. This is actually a really, really pretty blush. This is my first time using it. This is seriously the most blush I've ever worn in my life, but I kind of actually really like it. Maybe it's just because I like the blush a lot. Alright, love bugs, so I finished this eye right here, and now I'm going to start working on my right eye. I'm going to pick up the Sleek Makeup Between the Lines eyeliner, which is basically just their white eyeliner. And I'm going to start drawing underneath my eye right here to give it the appearance that my eyes are bigger, because this is Minnie Mouse. She got some big ass eyes. So I'm going to go in with this right now. And what I'm going to do is basically just trace the shape of my natural eye, but just lower. And I'm also going to add the white eyeliner into my waterline as well. And then just to make sure that you're not going to be able to see my natural lashes, because I will be applying falsies like I did with this eye, I am going to pick up a spoolie, and then I'm going to pick up my Beauty Bakery white gel liner, and this is in the shade Marshmallow, and I'm going to roll the spoolie in there, and then I'm going to coat my lashes in the white gel liner. trace out my bottom lash line now with just a regular black eyeliner. You can use whichever one you want. For lashes, I'll be applying Golden from the Lash Label. They look like this. I already took it out of its box, sorry, but they look like this, or better, they look like this. So now I just cut up some old lashes and I'm gonna start applying them to the bottom. I'm gonna start with the last one first. So I'm gonna put this one really close to my outer corner. You know what I just now noticed? I'm finishing up my eyes and I just realized I didn't even do an eyebrow highlight on this eye. I was wondering why I haven't mentioned this palette yet. Okay, so for a highlight for my face and my eyebrow highlight, I'm going to be using the ColourPop in Nude Indo. The shade that I'm going to be using is Glad You Came. And so I'm going to quickly do my eyebrow highlight and then my face highlight with this. And then with the Morphe M510 brush, I'm going to apply this highlighter real quick, because we still got a lot to do, guys, for real. Now for the really fun part, I'm going to use this like super cheap face makeup that I got from Walmart. And I'm going to start on my nose, kind of transforming it into Minnie's nose. First off, I am going to draw just like a small little circle. And now I'm going to grab some of that black paint with the little tool that it comes with. And I'm going to make an even bigger circle around it. Actually, you know what? I might use one of my own brushes. Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh my god. This is my first time ever trying this look and I'm really just going with the flow, so I'm like honestly really surprised at how good I think this is coming out. Oh my god, it actually didn't come out terrible. Okay. I'm so excited because now we're going to be moving on to the lips and I'm super excited to try out the lips. I'm just a little scared. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna have to overline my lips really bad. Well, not like really bad, but definitely kind of noticeable because I want to do white polka dots on my lips and I have pretty small lips and it's just not gonna work if I don't overline, so bear with me please. I'm picking up the new LA Girl Neon Lip Liner in Outrage, which is this beautiful like bright red. Okay, now I think I'm going to start off by already like drawing in the polka dots before I do the red lip. I'm using the Pixie by Petra Matte Liquid Lipstick in Real Red. And I'm going to try to outline these little polka dots. Okay, so it's obviously way smaller than originally, but that actually looks pretty round and like polka dotty. So I'm gonna keep it like that. I love this wand. This wand is literally the perfect wand to do this, guys. And now for the last step. Let's take this hair down, because Minnie would be nothing without her bow. Minnie did not come to play today, she came to slay. I hope you love bugs enjoyed this look. I'm really proud of how it came out. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'll be having a lot of Halloween looks coming soon. I'm really trying to step outside the box with these Halloween tutorials for you guys, so I have a lot of things planned. Make sure you leave me a comment on what you'd like to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, love bugs!